good morning, welcome to Hoojies Garage. It's another early morning and I'm going up to the Stockholm area again to pick up a car. So some 5 hours later, up in Stockholm area, here we have it, a black Taycan. Let's just take a closer look at this. So I've already checked the menu a bit and I will make it all the way down to my area without charging at all. So that's quite a bit of a difference compared to the Leaf in the winter. This is nothing really fancy, it's only a normal Taycan, but it's a bit over 400 horsepower car, so I think it will be an interesting trip. All right. Well, this isn't much drama. It's nothing special at all. The winter Leaf video was a bit of an adventure, but this is just nothing happening. I've been driving for a bit more than 2 hours. I've done 260 kilometers. The charge level is down from 95 to 50%, and I will make it at home in one stint only. So yeah, this is just driving like with any normal car, nothing special at all. Let's see, I can show the stats here. Yeah, cruising along like 120 something. 49, 50%. I've done 260 kilometers. It takes about 18.3 per 100. So this is just a walk in the park. I will, however, make a little charge on the way home just to see what it's like. Well, I find it a bit interesting that they show here. They show the let me think now. The charge power that you can use. It's been increasing from around 20 when the battery was almost full, and now it can take 150 kilowatts. That's way better than a Leaf. well. So, arriving at Ionity, and okay, here's the stats. But why the hell is there no roof over the charger? I mean, rain happens, right? Just look at this. Hey Sam, so what's your name?
Algot.
Algot at Verktygsboden. Let's see if Verktygsboden can fix a brand new Porsche Taycan. Because there is an issue here. Let's see, because I could not charge and then swipe. No? Yes, swipe, and I think the problem is, you see that terminal there? It's sitting very deep into it. So, shall I try? You can hold.
Ja, har du googlat på det här?
Stop. Crazy functions. How should I know that I should do that? Okay, I read the owner's manual, yes, but well, thanks for the support by Verktygsboden, but we think that because we looked at some images on some website, and it looks like that pin should be like this. We tried to pull it out a little bit with the plier, but we didn't want to apply too much force because we might break something. And then it suddenly struck me that there is this cable in the car, and also there, the one upper right is also way more recessed, so it should probably be like this. Now I would have liked to charge the car at home, of course, but there is no cable for home charging in the car, not in the trunk, so why should things be easy? So there's still enough battery. The battery has still enough with charging or energy, sorry. Yeah. So the battery still has enough energy for me to go to the city, because in the nearest city there is at least an AC charging thing. So well, let's see how this continues. No, I tried to change the charge limit. Crap. Really crap. I will have to take the car to a Porsche dealer tomorrow morning, and will I be able to continue this trip or not? I don't know. So guess what? I'm at the Porsche Center, and they're going to take the car in for service. Let's see how that goes. Now they have erased a lot of error codes, and it's charging 139 kilowatts. Well, so how will this go? No idea really. So the car runs, it's charged up to 62. I'm going to do a little short stint and then try again, so let's see how this continues. Well, it's not that straightforward. The car did not charge at Ionity, halfway in between Gothenburg and Halmstad, where I was driving south. So I ended up at another Porsche dealer, but he thinks he can only do error code resets, and it might take one charge. You know, Porsche have their own charge stations also. So I think that this will be, sort of speak, the end of the journey with this car. They think that there is something wrong with the I don't know what to call it, the socket in the vehicle. So yeah, not so good. Well, that's life sometimes. Well, then, there's a Porsche sign over there. Maybe that's prettier. So that's probably the end of this Taycan trouble video, as it ended up to be. So take care then. Bye bye. Well, this is worth an epilogue, I would say, because what was it that was wrong with the car? First of all, the model year 2025 Porsche Taycan, it has a completely new inverter, and they have improved the they have increased the battery size, and they have made some aero improvements, some rolling resistance improvements, and the whole car is way more energy efficient. I didn't know that as I took off up in Stockholm, and I was going to do a long trip. You know, it was like 2,500 kilometers, 3,000 kilometers something, and it ended up stopped. Well, it stopped after 500, 600 kilometers something. Well, so as I charged there at Ionity, the charging stopped. And I had tried that silly attempt. I thought it was some signaling issue, and then maybe some terminal had backed up. Crazy. Anyways, it was not. I tried to charge at the Circle K charger, and that didn't make any difference. So the car was clearly defect one way or the other. Yeah, I tried to charge it in the city, but I think I made something wrong, because as I arrived at the Porsche dealer that following day, it did charge AC, but not DC. So, well, what did I have to do then? I had a long journey to do, so I just simply had to get into a rental car and continue with a normal Volvo XC40, nothing as exciting as a Porsche Taycan. But then the car was standing there at that dealer for over 2 weeks, because it was not something with the charge port, it was the inverter as such. That's what they've told me. So it took them 2 weeks to get the inverter and to replace it and so on, and now they say that the car works. But well, they have teething issues, that's for sure. So, well, bye again.